This was a gravity attack. Yeah, get away from the train because they kick up stuff. Just hide, hide. We're gonna get back to class. We're gonna be talking about another set of motorcycles crashing and stuff, talking about what to do, you know, to rescue another rider, how to prevent the crash, and what fundamental skills you need so you don't do what these people are doing. Right, Zaraza? I see you. I see you in there. Let's get back to class. All right.
This
Very dangerous.
realized that such a ride was not the best idea. Fortunately,
Mr. Sparkle.
we managed to push the bike off the trackway.
Thank you for the 10. Appreciate it. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Gravity attacked him, everybody. This was a gravity attack. Yeah, get away from the train because they kick up stuff. Just hide, hide. You guys want to see a dead body? Tell me somebody knows what I'm talking about when I say that. All right, here we go. Take a quick look. We see a train coming when we say shite. Okay, very, very scary. We got to get off. Now, the law of gross tonnage says that the train will win. I don't think anybody disagrees with that. So how about we don't do this? It's kind of cool footage, but Union Pacific is going to get pissed. Union Pacific does not like people near their trains and train tracks and the little side frontage roads. And yes, we have the side of the train now. So we should have seen that. Should have seen that. So we're going to be lane filtering. Hey, you should get a rock form out so you don't have to put it in there, you know, in your tank bag. Wait, hey! Get out of here. Get out. Oh, I don't want to be right here, though. I don't want to be right behind the vehicle. There you go. Good. That was a good spot. GPS, very good. We're lane filtering, doing a good job. We're going to go ahead and start taking off, walking. This person got kind of close, maybe scared us. But remember, we're lane filtering. It's kind of, you know, in the same arena as dangerous. So let's not do that. And don't get pissed off at people when they get right next to you because you're lane filtering, right? So when I said I don't like this spot is because we are sandwiched between the dum-dum and the blue car and then this vehicle. We can easily get hurt. We easily get damaged. And we can't see what's happening in front of this Nissan. So I don't like that. So when I said right up here, that's a good position. And this is why. Look at that. You can see right in front of the Nissan, but you have an escape. You also have an escape and you can have good line of sight. So good line of sight, good vision. You got a good escape route. But our space cushion is not great. Sometimes that's the problem in town or these very high densely populated places. So if anything, let's just get ourselves good vision and a good escape path by positioning ourselves for safety. That's part of plan, everybody. We're riding with an airplane or something. What the? Side of the vehicle, side of the vehicle? Okay, never mind, they're parked. Whew. All right, watch out. Anything uncommon? Like that. Good job with the woes and got himself out of that. I'm not even going to spend time on this because my ears hurt. Okay, we're using more footage from this guy. Brakes, uncommon thing. Got some headlights. We did a nice swerve. Yeah, what are you doing, dum-dum? You missed your turn? Yeah, you missed your turn? Exactly. What this guy said. Mm-hmm. Sure. Oh, what's going on with the screen? Whoa. Whoa, we're closing the screen on... Whoa, no, whoa. There we go, push it back. There's kind of a weird situation there. He found an escape path and swerved out of the way. Did a good job. Now, put it back in gear, he stalled probably. There we go. Oh, he's being towed. No buenos. Hey, doggy. Just want to say hi? You want to bite my leg? Don't tell me somebody's going to drop. Hey, those dogs are just doing their job. Okay. This has been the scariest moment on the motorcycle so far. So lane filtering. Okay, watch out for those big open gaps, right? We're going to watch out for big open gaps. Oh, we had something else happen. Oh, what are you opening the door for? Watch, he's like throwing his bottle of piss and it's gonna hit this. He's wearing boots and shorts. All right. This is the crew lounge, by the way. If you want to have access to this on the Discord, you got to become a member by clicking that join button. You become part of the best damn online motorcycle community in the world. The Discord is free. Join the Discord. Link is in the description. You are invited. Come join us. Come join us. Let's get back to class. Let's go ahead and talk about this next thing where when you mistake the track. Wait, when you mistake track for the public Motostars. What the? There we go. Swifty gaming row.
From the opposite lane mistook the track for a road with heavy traffic, which results in what we're about to see.
You mistook the track for a road. Or mistook the road for a track. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. What do we do, class? We rescue another rider. All right. He's walking. That's good. Walking wounded. That's good. Means his legs are working. Means his heart is working. Means his airway is open. Means he's actually breathing. Good. Woo! Don't have to worry too much. Now let's see if he's bleeding externally. That's the biggest problem. Looks like he's walking around. He's doing good. Motul. Don't tell me that's he got a little mini fire extinguisher. All right, what kind of gear we got? Where'd that quad come from? All right, so who's riding what? I think this guy, look how buff he is. I think he was the one riding. So I don't know exactly what happened. It almost looks like he was doing a wheelie. I think he was doing a wheelie. It's just a tiny ass dot. I think he was doing a wheelie. And he looped it. I think he looped it. Or he applied the too much brake right there or something and just went over the top. I don't know if he hit anything. So there's him. Inappropriate, Foxton. Inappropriate. There's the guy right there sliding across the ground. We got a bike right there, completely destroyed. Now, at this point, you don't know what's happening. We need to make sure that we are safe. We need to make sure we are safe, okay? So we have to remain calm, ensure our own safety, and we need to stop any major bleeds. And then we got to quickly assess the severity of this. So right here, it's a pretty high mechanism. So it could be severe, but I'm not there yet. I got to get off the road. I got to make sure I'm safe. So we're going to make sure we're safe. We're not going to panic. Good thing you didn't panic brake. We're going to take a look. We could do a quick assessment just by watching. He's moving. That's good. He's walking. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
So when I say it's a good thing that he is walking and he's walking wounded, it's a triage thing. Then we have to watch out for bleeding, circulation. So is the heart okay? The pump, think of it as the pump. And then, you know, the tubes are your veins and arterioles and all that stuff. That is going to be like the hoses. And then the fluid, like, is water, but it's actually blood here. So if you don't have enough water in a pump, it's not going to work. If your pump doesn't work and you have a ton of water, it's not going to work. If you have a leak in your hose, your pump's just going to pump the water out of the hose. So think of that as your heart. If your heart's not working, obviously nothing's being pumped. If you have breaks in your arterioles and your veins and all these different blood vessels, you're going to be splurting blood everywhere, right? If you have not enough blood anymore, you're going to have collapsed veins, collapsed arterioles, and it's just not going to even pump enough, okay? So that is the biggest concern here. But I see that he's walking, so his heart's working. I see that he's not losing enough blood to really stop him. And he's not really complaining about pain. So we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. He's walking around. Now, the one thing that we have to watch out for is his brain, right? Got to watch out for his brain. Now, is he acting appropriately? Is he disoriented? You know, it's kind of like the backside of the rescue card when you get the rescue kit. You can get the rescue cards too, by the way, by themselves. We got the rescue kits, and it comes with one. So right there, head injury symptoms, right? Disorientation, nausea, vomiting, vision impairment, loss of balance, and or persistent headache. So when you're talking to this rider right here, and you want to know what the heck is going on with them, and you want to figure out, you know, how are they acting? Is he vomiting? Is he you know, asking weird questions? Is he drunk? Like, does he look like he's drunk? Like a drunk person, slurring words, you know, looking around, not paying attention, losing pretty much balance and everything? That's what you got to watch out for. And then, maybe that was his. I don't know. But he's got a massive amount of protective gear. It's like he has the Michelin Man suit on. So maybe he's okay. Maybe that's why. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.